Oh, it's starting to look like a studio. Drywallers are here today. They've just left to go for a coffee break, but look at this. This is looking so surreal now. They've done so much in just like 2 hours. They're going to be done by the end of the day for sure. There's 3 gentlemen. Look, this is my closet. My closet for all my art supplies. I'm so excited. And my dad put 2 pot lights in here. That's just great. Look at that. This is going to be so much space. I love it. And there's going to be a lot of storage under the stairs. They still have to drywall all of that. But here you have it so far. I'm so excited. It's really starting to come to life. Really starting to come to life. Super excited. Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another throwback video. All right, so I decided to throw in a little clip of the basement so far. And I'm so excited. The drywall, as you saw, is like going up, and these gentlemen will be done in a day for sure. They'll be done, and then tomorrow the mudders and tapers and sanders and, well, they can't sand yet, but they're going to come and mud and tape all the drywall. And I'm so excited because then that's going to take, I think I was told, 3-4 days. And then as soon as that's done, Anthony and I are going to paint. Yes, Anthony and I are going to paint the walls and the ceiling, just, just white. I'm not going to go crazy with color, just some white walls. And then as soon as we do that, which should take a day 2 max, we then have the flooring coming in, and I'm going to get the floors done. And as soon as those floors are done, I can finally start moving all the art supplies that's still boxed up from the garage down into the basement. So there's going to be a lot of work to do that. And I contemplated hiring someone to do that, but no. Anthony and I and the kids, if they're around, if they're not at their dad's for the week, but definitely there's going to be a lot of trips up and down the stairs to bring all the art supplies down. But I'm super excited that I'll finally be able to bring all the supplies downstairs and also empty out my garage where I can hopefully potentially start parking my car in there. But super excited. It's coming along. My dad will have to come back up after the floors, obviously, at some point, even for 2 days or so or whatever, to do all the electrical and, put all the pot lights in, the plugs, the switches, and then build me a brand new art table. I know I probably mentioned that all in the last video, but yeah, so he'll come back and do that. And then once I have at least electricity and a table, I can start doing videos again once I start unpacking. And I have unpacked everything, of course. So yeah, super excited. This is a throwback video. I believe it is video number 622. Pretty sure it is. Yes, I was right. I just checked. It's video number 622. And it was put on YouTube on January 28th of 2024. So almost 2 years ago. But this one has been super popular on Facebook because of the composition. And actually, when I get back into the studio and I start painting again, I think I'm going to do a couple of more of these because I did this one in the pinks. And then I did another one in blues and purples. And then I did 2 more after that, or 3 more videos after that, which you can find 623, 624, video 625, and so on and so forth. But this one seems to be super popular because I really like the composition. It really fills in almost the entire canvas and leaves very little negative space. Some people love it, some people hate it, but I'm really loving the vibrant neon colors on this one. So if you would like to see the original video of this, go check out video number 622, and all the colors and everything I used are in that video there. Yeah, head on over and check that one out as well. So I am going to kind of end it here because I basically told you guys a bunch of stuff in the last video about what's going on. I am going to High Point at the end of the month in North Carolina with Anthony for 5 days. He has to go there for work, so I'm tagging along. It'll be a nice little small getaway, even though it's work related, but it'll just be nice to get away from all this chaos and construction and dust and everything. So I'm looking forward to it. We're looking forward to it. But yeah, so our Thanksgiving is coming up. Canadian Thanksgiving is next weekend, I believe. So if I forget to say it then, I'll say it now. Happy Thanksgiving to all my fellow Canadians. I know it's early, but I'll probably forget. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this painting in the comments below. And again, if you could watch to the very end, I would really appreciate it. It helps with the views. It helps with the algorithm on YouTube. Let it play in the background. Let any video of mine play in the background while you're cooking, cleaning, whatever, painting. I don't know. But when you watch the videos and let them run in its entirety, it is extremely helpful for me. Lots of information is listed in the description below. Discounts for Lolivefe. Krystal Resin. I'm proud and happy to finally report that Krystal Resin now has a warehouse in the US. So you can buy tabletop resin for now. They do have a warehouse now where they will ship straight out of the US. So you do not have to pay tariffs or duties for it to come over Canada from the border. So if you need any resin, you can get your Krystal Resin from the US for tabletop, meaning for coating your canvases. So you can get that now from the US. It is still in Canadian prices, so which means when you buy it in the US, the price is actually cheaper because of the currency exchange. And right now there is a sale going on for 20% off. You can get 20% off the already sale price. So use code Kanella20. So if you are in the US and you are running low on resin and you need some resin, now is the time because it'll ship from the US, free shipping over $50, and you can save 20% off using code Kanella20. So I would jump on that because I don't know how much stock they have in the US warehouse, but this is your chance to get it without getting hit with duties or tariffs or anything like that. So head on over to Krystal Resin and get your resin. My Amazon links are below if you shop on Amazon. If you click on the link in my descriptions and just shop on Amazon, just like you normally would anyway, that actually helps me as well. Every little bit helps. If you just go through my links, there's a US link, a Canadian link, and a UK link. I wish there were other ones, but that's all I have for now. But if you just click on the link and shop on Amazon for your daily household needs, that actually helps me as well. So yeah, I think that's it. That's it for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, watching me blow out this beautiful neon pink painting. I will throw in some music for you guys. I will be back on Saturday with another video. And that is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.